This is my dream car. I couldn't ask for more. For me, it matters more about the time and the dedication and the work that I put into this car than, you know, how fast or how pretty or how cool it is, because I genuinely couldn't ask for more. When I drive it, it's rewarding because I put time and energy into making it drivable. My name's Catherine Daniel. I'm 20 years old. This is Maverick. He's 55. I'm an aerospace engineering major at UCF, and I'm also a pilot. I spent about a year on the internet just looking for something old and broken that I could fix. I found an ad for this car, so I convinced my dad to drive up with me for 6 hours to meet this guy that was selling the car in a 7-Eleven parking lot. Frankly, it was a steal. We looked at the Mustang for like a couple minutes and then we were like, all right, let's go. The car was pretty damaged when I got it. I've been struggling with the coolant system for quite a while. It all started because my thermostat housing was leaking a little bit, so I got a new thermostat and a new thermostat housing, and I replaced those. And then immediately after that, my water pump started leaking. So I ordered a water pump, I took everything apart, I replaced the water pump, and my heater core started to leak. So just the other day, I removed the heater core and the heater box and all of that, and I did a bypass instead of replacing it because someday down the road, I'd like to do AC. That system has been a challenge for me. The day we finally got paint on the car was the best part for me. It had been over a year. I got used to seeing the car with primer and green zinc chromate on it, which is not a good look. I got so used to seeing it like that it was just shocking to see it this beautiful blue color again for the first time in so long, and that was by far the best part so far for me. When I started making videos, my goal was to reach an audience of young women and kind of show them that this is something that they are more than capable of doing. I often get comments online saying that, you know, I didn't do the work or I couldn't possibly have done this. For one reason or another, I want to show as many people as I can that you don't have to fit a certain image to be able to do something like this. If you think that this is what you want to do, if you think that this holds some sort of interest for you, just do it. You're more than capable of doing it. There are going to be people every step of the way telling you that you can't or you shouldn't. Don't listen to them. If it makes you happy, just do what makes you happy.